that n-dimensional roots are available because the nature of the thing is seen. Then you can talk about it in very precise language. So you need, to an extent, an above 60% level, an above distinction level competency in comprehending whatever is pointed out by the languages. Because unfortunately, language is not the reality. Word is not the thing. All that language-fied descriptions about the invisible, subtle reality of the universe, or outside or within, or around, especially this language, I would say is almost empty, of particularly no advantage other than what a Zen master would say. You can use it as a piece of stone to break open a door and just throw it away. You have to break open the doors opened by the piece of stones of every word of your understanding, of your knowing. So what I call the first requirement for a real seeker is above average control over language. Control in the sense that not to use poetic language or a big jargonized language. There should be attention trained to see what is being taught. Even for that you don't need a language, actually speaking. But if you want to talk about what you saw when you saw, you will need real, I would say, what I call creative language control. You may not need some extraordinary words, but only different words can capture the nature of that, possible nature of that thing that you see. That is it. So, in order to develop language, of course, read wonderful books in whatever subject. In whatever subject. If you are studying physics, read Feynman lectures. If you are studying history, read Arnold de Toynbee or Will Durant. Or if it is chemistry, study the masters, the philosophy of science, that level. Or read direct literature. Great philosophers, Eastern or Western. So you need that creative language control. So develop that. Good luck. Why you are attracted to the great gurus and masters currently even? Whoever, live or dead, their language. Bible is in the language. Gita is in the language. Which other way you can know? So, you need that language, not the interpretative language of those who interpreted Bhagavad Gita and all that. As I told you, what I call referent reality perception. That means when a word is talked, you have to see that thing which is being talked about by that word. That's all about my difference.